It's 3:20 and I just finished my exercise. As I'm suffering with disc bulge, I have to do exercise multiple times a day and it has become my daily part where I have to do exercise multiple times. And after exercise, I got a call from my friend asking how I am funding my startup, how I have gathered resources to work on this idea. And to answer that question, I thought to make a video to explain everyone how I'm planning and working to build a business from the idea that I think would help a lot of people who are suffering from any medical issues and they are not getting medical treatment in their own region. And while recording this video, I want to also work on the hero section of my website. For that, I have to make a video and give it to my developer. So while working that, I'll explain you how I am funding my startup. I started working the very next day after I received my national insurance number in the UK. While I was still a student, I worked 20 hours a week and also did some side gigs remotely in India. And once my visa was transitioned to PSW, I started working full time and also continued with those same gigs. Now, to be fair, I don't smoke, I don't drink, and I don't go out every weekend. I travel occasionally, but overall I try to keep my lifestyle simple and save as much as possible. And because of that, I've managed to build some savings. But honestly, savings alone are not enough to build a startup. And that's where the power of networking comes into play. I once read a line, and since then it's stuck in my mind, and that is, your network is your net worth. So I will repeat it for you. Your network is your net worth. Now I truly understand that what that means. For example, my tech platform is being built by my sister and a group of her friends who are passionate about technology. For accounting and finance and business registration, I'm working with a CA who was referred by a common friend of me and my sister who stays in the US, whose brother is in India. So basically, she's a CA in India and she helped me to basically understand the accounting, business registration and finance related to startups. I've also reached out to friends whose parents are doctors or medical professionals for better understanding of the healthcare side. For visa related things, I have got in touch with one of my friends' relatives who are into travel agencies, so they help me with understanding the visa complications and all the things which are required for travel. Using the same principle, I'm also building my professional network on LinkedIn by sending targeted connection requests. The idea is simple, that when I eventually need the guidance in a specific area, I can reach out to right people. Another important thing is how I plan networking. So the networks what I made earlier are helping me now, and I'm building my network that will help me in the future. So basically, I believe it has to be planned in advance when it comes to business. So for example, in future my startup might need funding, and for that I've already started connecting with people in venture capital ecosystem. And since medical tourism also involves cross-border services, tomorrow we may also need support or guidance from British or Indian trade department. So I've started building connections there as well, obviously using LinkedIn. For instance, I had connected with Mr. Kang, and I continue to build a similar relationship with the professional to understand the trade. Now the idea is simple. Don't start networking when you need. Instead, start networking before you need. So in simple terms, this is how I am funding my startup: my own savings plus my network, and honestly both are equally valuable. So while recording this video, I've also finished the video for my hero section of the website. I would attach that video at the end of this, so please watch it. So this is the video what I have made. I've used Canva, I've used AI to generate videos. I've used few stock videos as well. So this would go in the hero section, which would be played in a loop. And let's see what my developer sees about it.